I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Fastapi versus Flask performance. We will explore their fundamental differences in handling requests and how these impact speed and scalability. Fastapi, a newer framework, is built for high-performance APIs, while Flask offers simplicity and flexibility for various web applications. Understanding their core architectures is key to making an informed choice for your projects. Fastapi truly shines in performance, primarily due to its asynchronous design. It leverages the ASCII standard, allowing it to handle many requests concurrently without blocking. Built upon Starlet and Unicorn, Fastapi can process thousands of requests per second. Benchmarks often show it handling significantly more requests than Flask, with response times reduced by up to 27% under heavy load. This makes it ideal for I/O-bound operations. Flask, a micro-framework, traditionally operates on a synchronous WSGI model. This means it processes requests one at a time per worker, which can limit concurrency under high traffic. However, Flask's performance can be significantly enhanced by deploying it with production-ready WSGI servers like Unicorn, which can utilize multiple workers. While not inherently asynchronous, Flask offers immense flexibility and is excellent for smaller applications or rapid prototyping. Choosing between Fastapi and Flask depends on your project's specific needs. For high performance, I/O-bound APIs requiring extreme speed and scalability, Fastapi is often the superior choice. If you prioritize simplicity, flexibility, and rapid development for smaller to medium-sized web applications, Flask remains an excellent option. Both frameworks are powerful Python tools. The best fit aligns with your application's demands and traffic patterns.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.